Trust me, this road cuts 40 minutes off the drive. We'll be at the hotel before 9.
David, this road is not on the map.
That's because it's a shortcut. Shortcuts are never on the map. That's what makes them shortcuts.
That is not how maps work.
Are we lost?
We are not lost. We are taking a different route.
That sounds like Lost with a better name.
She's not wrong.
Mom, the trees look different up here.
Different how?
Like they're following us.
Trees don't follow people, Ameli.
These ones do.
Why are we stopping?
The bridge.
What about the bridge?
Something isn't right.
David.
I see it.
How long ago did that collapse?
I don't know. Recent. The concrete looks fresh.
Can we go around it?
There is no around it up here, sweetheart. The river goes both ways.
So we go back the way we came.
Yes. As soon as I get signal, I'll check the road conditions.
Do you have signal?
No.
David.
I know.
We have no signal, no bridge. It's 8 degrees outside.
I know. I know all of that.
So what do we do?
We think. Carefully. Right now we think.
Dad, how cold does it get up here at night?
Cold enough that we need to be smart.
How smart?
Very smart. The smartest we have ever been.
I am pretty smart already.
I know you are. That's why I'm not worried.
Time for what?
Time for me to think of something better than sitting here waiting.
What's in the boot?
Jumper cables, spare tire, the picnic blanket from last weekend, Ameli's extra jacket she never brought back into the house.
That's something. That's enough for Ameli.
And you take my jacket.
Not taking your jacket, David.
You are absolutely taking my jacket. That is not a discussion.
Ameli, talk to me. How are you feeling?
I'm okay. I'm thinking.
Thinking about what?
That road we passed about 10 minutes back, the one going left, where did it go?
What road?
There was a small road going left into the trees. I saw a sign, but I couldn't read it because we were moving.
Did you see it?
I wasn't watching that side.
How far back was it?
Maybe 10 minutes, maybe less. I remember 4 big rocks beside the road. 1, 2, 3, 4.
You counted the rocks?
I always count things when I'm thinking. You know that.
That road might lead somewhere. Maybe someone nearby could help us.
Or it goes nowhere and we've used fuel, we need to stay warm.
Or it leads somewhere and we're home much sooner.
David, if we leave here now,
I'm not going alone. We all go or nobody goes. Together. Always together.
I think we should go. I think the road goes somewhere. I have a feeling.
Ameli, feelings are not navigation.
My feelings are pretty good, Mom. I felt something was wrong before we even got to the bridge tonight.
We go slow. Lights on full. If the road gets worse, we stop and come straight back. Agreed.
Agreed. But I'm watching the fuel the whole time.
Fair. Ameli, you watch for the 4 rocks.
I already know where they are. 1, 2, 3. There, the rocks. Turn left here, Dad. Right here.
David,
I see it.
is that a house?
That is absolutely a house.
I told you my feelings were pretty good.
You come off the mountain road. The bridge is down. We had no signal. Our daughter saw your turnoff. Smart girl.
I counted the rocks.
Come inside. I have a phone that works. Always works. Mountain people don't trust anything that needs a tower. Yes, we're at the old Miller farm. Please, send help. It's urgent.
Dad,
Yeah,
you found the way out.
you found the road.
We found it together.
Yeah, we did.
Next time we take the main road.
Next time we absolutely take the main road.
Next time I sit in the front so I can see the signs properly.
That is a completely reasonable request, and I will consider it.
You'll say yes. My feelings tell me so.
Yeah, my feelings tell me that too.
Great job watching the story. Now let's learn 5 easy English words from today's adventure. These words will help you understand and speak English better. Shortcut. A shortcut is a shorter road that helps you reach a place faster. Bridge. A bridge helps people and cars cross over a river.
Rescue. Rescue means helping people who are in danger.
Signal. A signal lets your phone make calls and connect to the internet. Farm. A farm is a place where people grow food and raise animals. If you enjoyed today's story, don't forget to like this video and subscribe so you never miss the next adventure with our family. See you next time.